And go.
There was once a little girl who saw a deer. They wanted to bring it home, but it was too scared. And once she was getting closer to it, when it was looking to the apples, so it run to the apples, and then there she looked. That deer looked, and then there was a tiger coming.
A tiger.
Yeah.
Was it scary?
Nice. No, it was nice.
It was a nice tiger.
And it helped that little girl get some apples too.
Do you like apples?
Yeah.
Is that the end of your story?
And I don't want to dare. They ate the apple, and they are happy after.
The